Hey guys, thanks for checking this video out. I'm going to be sharing quickly what I've been taking and some more information on the description. Okay, so first off, we have these two bottles in liquid form. They are for liquid turmeric and CoQ10, so they're the supplements in liquid form. And as you can see, it says superior absorption. That's what this is all about with the liquid. Actually, I really enjoy taking these supplements because they're easy to take, they taste pretty good, and I keep them in the fridge. So they're cold and I don't have much complaint on them. So this is for helps for inflammation, it helps for your heart and your overall health. And so I think I bought these at Costco. Okay, some more liquid stuff here I have is a liquid B complex. This is just your B complex in liquid form. It says it's good for metabolism support. I always heard vitamin B is good, and especially if you're a vegetarian. So another liquid supplement that I have and take it from time to time is the black elderberry extract. This is super concentrated. This I do keep in the fridge, and again, I got it at Walmart. So this is for your immunity. It really helps if you're starting to feel sick or if you're coming down with a cold. So those are my liquids. Here are some other things that I've tried pretty recently. This is NMN. So these are two brands that I've tried. And these I bought at Walmart, or I'm sorry, Amazon. So you just have to see which one works with you. There's a lot of suppliers that are making NMN. I keep this in the fridge as well, but this is a pill form. So here's the one that I am liking better than this one over here. It's double wood NMN and it's 250 milligrams. Okay, the other pill that I've tried recently is called resveratrol. This is, which is funny, comes from grapes, I guess, and it's said that red wine has a lot of resveratrol, but not enough to help with the aging process and support your immunity. And resveratrol is a really good supplement. Now these supplements here I take because I have for a while. I've been taking them just because I'm a vegetarian and I have a lack of some of the vitamins. The fish oil, the omega-3 is super important to have, and if you're not eating anything with it, then you need to support yourself with something. So this is one that I take. And then the calcium citrate with vitamin D3 is one that I take as well. And then this one here is 5-HTP. This one I discovered quite a while ago, and it helps relax and get you sleepy, and helps how it says right there for mood and sleep. That one I bought it on Amazon. These two I found at Walmart. Okay, now I wanted to talk a little bit about the Isagenix stuff, because I do enjoy some of their products still, and these are amazing. Now you could find them, I'm sure, at Walmart. One of them is the omega-3, and I think this one I like better because there's more per pill, so I have to take less. And this is the fish oil, helps your heart, brain, and joint health. So that's one that they have that works really well. The other one that I found that I really like from them is the multi-enzyme. This one you take just before you eat a big meal, and it helps with digestion. It really, really does. Like, you could feel your stomach just not working as hard when you take this. You have to take it before a meal. Okay, so I really enjoy the enzymes. And this one is, it's called Natural Accelerator, but what it is, really, it's apple cider vinegar. So instead of taking this, I do take the raw apple cider vinegar from Mother. It is a really good thing to take, especially for digestion. And it's helped me throughout my whole life. It really has, especially when I was pregnant. and it was having a lot of heartburn. Apple cider vinegar is awesome for that. Okay, now greens is another one that they have that I enjoy. The Isagenix greens have the antioxidants and phytonutrients your body needs on a daily basis for all those greens. They also include some superfoods in here like chlorella, and take it when I take the serving, I know I'm taking that superfood. Now the other one I do take daily is this shot they call, and it's in a form where it's kind of like a shot. It tastes really good, and it helps with just giving you natural energy. So it's not like the shots that you buy at the store. Those other supplements or energy shots have a lot of caffeine in them. So this one I do keep in the fridge, and you could take it when you feel like you're crashing, or in the morning even, to replace coffee if you're trying to give up coffee or something. This has natural caffeine in it, so this is a really good one. So I recommend these from the Isagenix product line, and if you wanted to know about that, you could either send me an email or leave me a comment. Okay, so lastly here, the C60 I continuously am taking. This has restored my just energy levels, and I think, well, I mean, what this is promoted for is to help with free radicals in your body. As you age, you get a lot of oxidation. I think it's just something that happens because you have a lot of corrupted stuff. So this is like defragmentation of the cells. What it does, it repairs them, the ones that are free radicals that are just floating around doing nothing. And there's a lot of information on C60. Just do the research, and it really does work. On its own, it helped me so much more than taking all of these supplements. Now this one I take because it just maintains the body, but I feel that if you've recovered yourself with C60, you can kind of lay back on taking so much. You know, not like the daily dosage, but it's just as long as you maintain that feeling. So that's all I have, and I wanted to share with you guys. I'll put more information on each one of these products on the description below. Thank you.